Hi everyone, I'm Marjan Torrio, caregiver student. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 ways on how to hold the baby, also demonstration on how to barf the baby after feeding. Before holding and lifting the baby, you should sanitize your hand. Cradle hold. Make sure you provide support and neck, back, head, and bottom. Lap hold. Sit on a chair with your feet firmly on the ground. Place your baby in your lap. Her head should be at your knee, facing up. Baby feet should be tucked in your waist. Hip hold. Face your baby upward and make her sit on your hip bone. You should wrap your arm around her waist. Burping. Shoulder hold. Make sure you use the burping clothes and manage the mist. Sit upright and stand up. Hold your baby again to your chest gently to tap and rub the back of the head. Sit upright or stand and hold your baby against your chest. Gently tap or rub the back of the hips, hair, burp. Face down on. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knee. Support the baby's chest and head. Gently tap or rub the baby back to help her barf. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby into sitting position. Support neck and the head, and pat or rub the back to help her barf.